How to add an online shop on your YouTube channel. Ladies and gentlemen, you're most welcome back. If it's your very first time, welcome. My name is Martha Kemerebe and you're watching Atutaka Solutions. And I'm going to go right away. You go to your YouTube studio, either on your mobile phone or on website version or on your PC. So in this tutorial, I'll be using my mobile phone. So you want to go to your YouTube studio on your mobile. It's a mobile app. It's a mobile app. All right, so you click on "and" where you see that shilling, where you see that that dollar sign. Then you'll see where that shop stuff is, and then you click on connect shop. All right, so they're telling you that connect a shop to promote your products like merchandise on your channel. Connect your online shop to YouTube. All right, so if you want to learn more, you need to click on learn more so that you get to know, you get to understand what exactly this is. So connect or manage and disconnect your store on YouTube. These are practically, stated to give you guidance just in case, like you're not so sure, like you want to go step by step. Supported shopping platforms, they'll show you supported shopping retailers, because not like every platform is allowed. I think YouTube has a particular category of platforms that they work with, that they partner with. So you click on that and they'll show you which ones. Okay, and then you'll see which one works for you. All right, so connect your stores with YouTube. You can connect your official store with YouTube to sell your own products. All right, so you click on supported shopping platforms. Okay, if you use a supported retailer or platform to sell your products, you can connect your store. Once your store is connected, you can turn on shopping features for your channel. So there is Shopify, there's Cafe24, there's Spreadshop, there's Sprig, there's Suzori. Okay, so I don't know if this depends on your country, where you're located, where your channel is located. Let me know in the comment section down below if you've tried setting up a spread shop before and what stores were available for you. Okay, or you'll comment later after trying this out. Okay, and then there's you can see which one is eligible, whether your channel is eligible. Click the shopping tab to see if it's eligible. Yeah, practically I think you should have monetized your channel first of all, and you should have reached 4K watch hours and 2,000 subscribers. At the moment, that's what was working for me, and YouTube keeps updating these things. So yeah, you just read and see which one is available for you, which updates you're supposed to follow, as in to fall into the eligibility criteria. So there's this we're open to working with more retailers. Okay, I think those are some suggestions, like stuff like that. So again, you can manage your store at any time. You can change the retailer or platform for your product. It's not like once you've attached to that particular retailer, that's it for your lifetime. Nope, you can always attach and detach, or put and remove or change. For example, if you've used Shopify, then you're like, no, I want to do now spreadshirt. Okay, or you want to do Cafe24 7. Okay, so disconnect your store from YouTube. They will show you practically how to do this thing, how to disconnect and connect. Okay, so again, I do these tutorials for someone out there who may be, especially for beginners like me. I just fell into these things. I'm like, okay, so click here, like, what is this all about? But just to give you a glimpse of what you can do and what is required if you're beginning this journey. Yeah, it's for information purposes only. If you want to seek financial advice, please go to our authorized financial advisor, or marketing someone. But I do these tutorials just to give you a picture. Okay, so, and most of the times I get this from your questions Some of you come to me and like, how did you do this? How did you do this? I'm like, okay, I'm going to make a video because probably there's someone else asking the same question, so I can hit too many birds with one stone. All right, so then if you need any help, you can always, as I'm submitting my feedback, you can always ask the customer support. All right, so then you select the shop. I was just taking you through all that so you could see how the other options that you have. So select shop if you have a spread shop or Spring or Shopify. I think these three are the ones available for me in UAE. Okay, so once you click on any of those, you need to accept the terms and conditions. All right, guys, forgive me, I have a call, but yeah, I have to get this video out of the way. It's been here forever. Continue the setup on Shopify. So sign in or create an account. Go to Shopify. All right, so if you click on that shop that you want to add on your YouTube channel, then you must have an account with that shop. If you don't have an account yet, like I didn't have, okay, you want to first go there and create one, then you come back and attach, if it makes sense. All right, so you want to make sure your connection is on top notch, and then App Store, Google channel, free to install, additional charges may apply, and then get your products in front of new shoppers who are looking for what you're selling. So this is for Shopify, ladies and gentlemen. Reach millions of shoppers when they're searching, for products like yours, secure products, and so much more. And then connect with your audience and sell on YouTube. Expand your reach and boost sales with Performance Max. All right. And then you want to see the reviews. You want to see if this particular shop works for you, and if this is actually what you really want or prefer. After going through all those, I found out that actually, excuse me, ladies and gentlemen. So I'm just reading through the reviews, but I now on my channel, if you check, I attached spreadsheet, because I tried with Shopify, and I think I got stuck somewhere. There was something they required that wasn't available for me. So I had to go for Spreadshirt, and Spreadshirt is it's free. Spreadshirt is free, guys. 100% free, like free. So like all free trial, no, free. Okay, so I think there are subscriptions that you can do, but there's that. You can practically add your shop for free. Like you create a shop, add items, design, custom, make custom. I think I'll make a different video on that. I recorded that part. I'll show you. I'll upload it, God willing. Okay. So I'll show you like how to add items in your spreadsheet, spreadshop, stuff like that. Okay. So now you click on spreadshop. There's a YouTube video to show you what you need to do, and then you want to accept the cookies. If you don't accept, then I don't know what will happen, but it's good to accept after reading through. So welcome to Spreadshop. Earn money with fun match on your YouTube channel. Your Spreadshop is always free. Okay, guys, it hasn't lied. It's free. Let's get started. That's if you don't have an account. Then if you already have an account, then you want to just click on login. So where do you live? Enter your country in English. You live in United Arab Emirates. You live in UK. You live in Uganda. You live in Ukraine. Okay, whatever. Whichever country you live in. I'm obsessed with you. You. Please note that you will get paid in the in the currency of your domain. Okay, so if you want to choose which domain currency, whether it's US dollar or it's Arab Emirate dirham or the Ugandan shilling or Kenyan shilling, whatever you are, whichever country that you are, okay, or whichever currency that works for you. So register for free now. Email always atutaka@gmail.com. So new password and stuff like that. If you want to save it so that you don't have to be entering the Spreadshop password all the time, you can save it. Okay, and then log in with Google or log in with YouTube. If you click on login with YouTube, definitely it will use your YouTube credentials. So I was busy looking for an account that I can use, that I have access to. So yeah, I have access to Atutaka solutions, and yeah, select what Spreadshop YouTube is integration can access. Do you want to select all or link to your YouTube channel? And so they send for you a confirmation. Yeah, so like what, it's not like it's just one click away. No, you have to confirm. Are you sure you want to let your information into this? Okay, then if you've read through everything, I encourage you ladies to read. I encourage you all to read before you accept to any of these conditions, so you won't be surprised. So your YouTube channel is now connected to Spreadshop. That's it. How to create your first product and set up your store for your YouTube merchandise is shown here, so you can click on learn more or then create products and stuff like that. So as you can see, I've actually attached my channel, and that is my ID, and that is Atutaka online store as you've chosen. If you want, you can call it some other, but since you're connecting it to your YouTube channel, I would advise that you call it the same name for the sake of getting your clients or your members or your audience to get to okay, this is they can connect, they can click. So now then, this is I try to make a few designs here. As I've promised, I'm going to do another video where I'll be showing you how to add these products in your Spreadshop, how to create the Spreadshop shop. Because you have already created, now the video is going to be too long, so I decided to make it separate. And then yes, give this video a like, a thumbs up, and let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Let me know if you've tried this out before, or is it your very first time, and if you're going to try it out. And this is it for today, ladies and gentlemen. I would appreciate when you join us on our Telegram channel. Let's keep in touch, because there I can easily answer your questions like direct in my DM. Okay, so you choose whether it's Telegram or Instagram, and all the links are included in the channel page of this video, home page of this channel, and I normally leave in the description. So I would encourage you all to go to the description of every video if you want to get exclusive information, and join this channel if you want to get discounted merchandise, get shout outs for business and stuff like that. Feel free to reach out and let's connect, because when we share, we care. On this channel, that's all we do. Sharing is caring. And yeah, if you haven't subscribed and you want to see more videos like this, more tutorials like this about technology, business and investment solutions, or tips and ideas, please subscribe and turn on that bell notification, like for all. You see, when you click on that bell, they will show you three gundis three options, whether all or whatever. Turn on all, so that whenever I upload you'll be the first to know and you'll click on it. Till next time, bye bye.